Creating a drop-down list in Module 3, Excel. So next to, we have the names for column A and column B will be sports, and we actually would like to have a drop-down arrow that appears so we can select the correct sport for each person. So to do that, we have a second sheet called drop down, and we have some categories. If you want to delete one or add a sport, whatever you'd like to do, go ahead and do that now. So either add or delete, whatever you'd like. If you delete, make sure you click the whole number and then choose delete. I'm just going to put it back. So once you know what you have for your sports, go back to the sports worksheet, and we're going to select the range where we want the drop box to appear. So I'm selecting B2 to D19. Click Data, and we're looking what's called Data Validation. There it is. And then you want to choose for the allow, you want it to be a list. And then we have to get our range. Where's our range, which is our choices for the drop down. So click this up arrow, and we're looking for our range. So I'm going to click the sheet called drop down, and then so it's coming up with the quotations around it because that's the sheet. I'm going to select the range. So there's the range. Notice it has the absolute value A1 through A6, and then click this to accept it, and then click OK. And now when we go to each of the people, you can select a sport. So you don't have to do all of them, just randomly check, and you've created a drop-down list. Thank you. Save and submit.